Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldly. Join us by subscribing and make sure to hit the bell icon for more tech related videos and tutorials. Now let's start the video.
So guys, in this video we will integrate Google Search Console with our WordPress website, or we will add more than 2 to 3 emails with our Google Search Console. So first of all, go to dashboard, your WordPress dashboard, and log in your dashboard. Meanwhile, I'm opening the Google Search Console. Go to search.google.com/search dash console. Click on the Start Now button. So here is the option, yes, where we can add the new property. Click on the Add Property button. Go to URL prefix and add your website domain. Copy and paste here. So click on the continue button. Basically, they're giving 2 to 3 options to verify your property. So first of all, HTML file, you can upload your file in your server, and the other one is the tag. You can check the tag here. Copy your tag. I am using this option, HTML tag, and open your dashboard appearance theme editor. Here is the editor. Now you can search your header file, theme editor, yes, header.php. Yes. Now I will paste this code in the head tag. Here is the code before head closing tag. Now update the file. File is updated. You can check your code using the website page source code. Click on right click on the view page source, command file, paste, sorry, copy this code and fine. Now here is not code, just clear your cache again. Yes, now we will check. Here's the code. Now click on the verify button. If you have paste the code, now you can click on the verify button. Verifying this take good. So basically, Search Console now integrate your website. Go to property, showing the data in 24 to 48 hours. You will check your Google Search Console after 24 to 48 hours to search your traffic, to check your traffic analysis, your country region, your target audience, everything you can check here. Thank you so much, guys. Please stay connect. us for further videos. Sorry guys, just forgot one thing. How to add your team, your teammates, your colleagues in your Google Search Console property. So go to Search Console. On the left sidebar, click on the settings. Now, general settings, click on the users and permissions, add users. Now, paste your teammate email, copy this email and paste here. Click on the add. Second one, permission, you have your choice, depend on your the requirement. Yeah, basically they're providing three options: on or full restricted. I am giving the full permission. Your choice is yours. You can choose anyone. So guys, this is the last step, how to how you can add your users or your teammates or colleagues. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our Worlding channel and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thank you.